What are you doing? Why are you letting these people drain your energy? What are you doing? Why are you hanging around people who drain your energy? That's okay. I'ma fix you. This is a step-by-step guide on how not to let people drain your energy, okay? Hold on. All right, let's go. Set your boundaries. Learn how to say no. Learn how to say no. I know it's scary, but don't be like, oh, I don't want to hurt their feelings, or I want to protect their... No. Learn how to say no. N-O. As easy as it is to say yes, make it easy to say no. Because the last thing you want to do is have that person walk all over you. Stop allowing them to walk all over you. Know your worth. You are not worth that. So say no. Hey, can I have a piece of your chicken? No. It's my food. The fuck? Be clear about what you will tolerate and what you will not tolerate. So when you set that boundary, when they do something that you don't tolerate, say, hey, I don't like what you did. Give them a warning. They might have not known, but if it happens again after you told them not to do that thing, bye. It's time to go. Bye. Bye. Limit the time you spend with those people. Seeing those people every single day can really drain you. Have some time for yourself. And this moves into my next tip. Be selfish. Prioritize yourself. At the end of the day, who you with? Yourself. Who's taking care of you? You. So before you start sacrificing things for yourself to take care of other people, think about yourself first, what you need first. Then you can fill somebody else's cup up. Fill your cup up first before you fill somebody else's cup up, okay? Because how you gonna fill somebody else up with air? Make time for people who constantly support you, who lift you up, who give you energy, like your family. And if your family doesn't, or if nobody does, then that's okay. You always have yourself. Take a bubble bath. Get some bubbles, some Epsom salt. Chill, read a book, do something. Listen to music. Whew. That's the best thing you can ever do. It feels so good. You should do it. You should try it. I know we all love drama. I know we all love listening to it and whatnot, but know when it's time to cap it off. Constantly hearing negativity, constantly hearing complaining. Anybody who complains a lot will drain your energy. Anybody who's just negative all the time will drain your energy. If you're constantly hanging around these people and they're always talking shit or they're always negative, it's time to move on. It's time to make some new friends. Control your reactions. Don't let somebody's energy consume you. Learn how to detach from people. When somebody says some fucked up shit to you, learn to detach. Learn to just stay calm. It's more intimidating that way anyway. Stay calm. Take a step back. Reflect. Think about what you're going to say and set that boundary. Learn how to address the issue. If this person is really close to you, be honest. Do not go and say, oh, I'm fine, after they done fucked up and ruined your whole day. Talk to them. If they feel like you're attacking them, you should probably reconsider that friend. They have some inner work they need to work on, so they probably just need to grow up a little bit. Find an outlet. Journal. Talk to someone. Tell a trusted friend. Talk to a family member. Do what you can to get these feelings out. Write them on paper. Sing through a song. Be creative about it. That's what artists do if you're an artist. Journal. Journaling helps so much. Find out yourself and why you're feeling a certain way. So journal. And then final thing, know when to walk away. Sometimes it's just not worth it. If they're not willing to change what they're doing, if the things they do continue to bother you, just leave. If they still haven't changed, or if they haven't grown up, you might have just grown out of them, or there's just no saving them. But yeah, that's all. Stop letting people drain you. Okay, bye. Mwah. Love you.